Hi, Mark here from Dynamics. If you're going to be a designer, you'll need a set of these. These are digital calipers, or we call them in the trade digital verniers. Make sure you get a set that's at least 200 millimeters long. Don't get the 150s, they're too small and you'll waste your money. Before you start, make sure that the blades are cleaned and look right, you can't see any gunk between them, and make sure it is zeroed on there. The most important thing about measuring with the verniers is to hold them square on the job. So concentrate on the blades or the jaws and the part that you're measuring, and measure over the big fat part if possible. If you're measuring over that small part, it is easy to get it on an angle and get the wrong measurement, or easier to push too hard and get the wrong measurement. So measure over the flat section like that, and measure in a couple of different spots if possible to make sure it's right. If you're trying to get a depth one, try to keep it square up against that back blade. So come down square on that black blade to check and see how it is. You can also use the back of the vernier there, or the very top, that comes up level too, and that's more accurate. So if you can, hold that up like that and measure like that. And that, if you keep practicing, should make you good at measuring. Dynamics, where ideas are molded by experience.